Hi, you all have been in a situation when you have to create a document for your D365 process, but you are doing it manually and you have to attach screenshot in the document. Here is an option available in D365 Finance and Operation out of the box where you can uh, run the process. System will automatically capture the steps. So I will show you that. This is the one. So for that, go to the gear icon, click on Task Recorder. Here you will see Create Recording. Mention the recording name as Purchase Process. Start. The moment you click on Accounts Payable Purchase Order, All Purchase Order, system will capture the steps. So select one record and open it and navigate it. Like if you confirm, now there might be an issue. So now this is the recording part. Click on Stop and you can export to the Word document. So you can see all the steps has been captured. Okay. And you can use this as a process document. So multiple things are there in this. So that's it for this. I will be covering more things about the task recorder in my upcoming videos. So that's it for today. I will see you in the next one.